guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing some Christmas baking. It is December 1st and I decided, you know what? It's time to bake. I was hoping that when I went to my local grocery store they would have the Christmas cookies out. So when I went, they did. Ooh, excuse me. They had to have more than one kind. So of course I'm standing there fighting with myself for like 20 minutes trying to figure out which ones I wanted. 20 minutes later, I ended up picking out my favorite Christmas movie of all time. I watch it every single Christmas. It is the Elf movie that Will Ferrell plays in. I freaking love that movie. We had Buddy the Elf's hat, so I was like, I'm getting those. So sugar cookies that I will be baking today. Apologize about that noise. It's the heat and stuff, so if you want to see me bake some Buddy the Elf sugar cookies, then okay. So I'm in the kitchen, just getting everything ready. My baking sheet. I even got my little apron. My mom actually made this for me. So I thought it was super cute. So I'm gonna wear it in this video. So. It's such a weird angle. Ooh, dropping my camera, dropping my light. To preheat these cookies, so it says oven to 350 or 325. Over to the stove. Is preheating, just waiting for that. I'm gonna take the cookies out. Oh, look how cute they are. They're so adorable. Wish me luck. There you go. 350 for 12 minutes. Wait for the cookies to finish, and then I can show you guys the masterpiece. Cookies are done. I'm gonna go get them out of the oven. Gonna let them cool down. Oh, I just smushed that one with my glove. Got one up with my thumb right here. They are looking really good. Didn't burn them, so that's good. I got Buddy the Elf's hat sugar cookies. They smell so good, and they're nice and warm, which is the best time to eat them. They're so good. I hope that you enjoyed this Christmas sugar cookie Buddy the Elf hat cookies. So that completes the video. Oops. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.